I'm going to show you how to find the over-the-counter list in Polk County, Florida. This is Sandra Edmond, Quinn and Tax Deeds. Oh, you might be asking, where is Polk County? So let us put up the Florida counties map first and show you where Polk County is. Polk County is, it's right outside of Orlando, Florida, Orange County, just southwest of us. Oops. So this is Orlando, Orange, and Polk County is right here. So this is how to find the lands available or the over-the-counter list for Polk County. So on my website here, queenoftaxdeeds.com, click on county links and I'll take you to property appraiser, county tax deed page, the auction page, the tax deed auction's actual website. So when the day the auction's going on, you can tune into it here. Or if it's in person, it'll have the address for the auction. This is the county's tax lien page, and this here is the tax lien auction page. So if you're going to be bidding in the annual certificate sale, the tax and certificate sale, you would come on this page to register and to participate in that sale. So we're going to go down to Polk, and we hit TD County. And that takes us to the county's page. And here, they're just letting us know they got a portal for us to do all our searches. So where you want to go is right here. County tax deeds. That's from January to present time. Click there. It's going to take us into the new portal. And from here, we're going to hit list of lands. You're going to go down here. You're going to select available for public. We'll do public purchase and escheatment. So escheatment are properties that the county took back and it didn't sell at the auction, so they ended up taking it because it sits on the list for 3 years. If nobody goes after it, the county gets to keep it. So here we have no cases, nothing. So we're also going to go back just to be thorough. We're going to close this one and also do the other one, the old site, this one right here. I'm going to hit proceed. We're going to hit lands available and run search. We're going to hit search. So we're looking for anything in the last 3 years. So we're going to scroll over. Actually, it's not letting us scroll over. All right, there it is. Yeah. So here we go, 2022 and 2023. So these were the sale dates. So these are the older ones here. So we've got a few properties right here. So then we would, there's the parcel ID number right there. So you can just copy it. It won't let us copy it here. So we actually have to open it. So we have to hit view. Once you're in here, you can copy that, put it in parcel ID in the property appraiser's website. However, Polk is a little different. The first few numbers, the section, township, range, they flip them on the property appraiser's website. So let's go to the property appraiser. That's what's going to give us information about the property. We click PA for property appraiser, and there's going to be instructions on this page about how they flip them. It's really so confusing when they do that, but some places do it. So we hit right here, property search, and right here, enter only the numbers without hyphens. So they're not being flipped here. I don't think so. So let's go ahead and paste and do search property. So we're going to need to verify that we got the right one. Yeah, look at that. Okay, let's try to erase one of the numbers and do search again. Nothing. That's okay. Let's just go and get the owner's name, the assessed owner's name. And we don't have an address, but we could see CSBG LLC. That's the owner's name. We can also look for the printout of the property appraiser's page, which will have the actual address of the property. The property information report will also have the address of the property too. So let's look for the property information report. Okay. And if we go to the second page, well, not the second, let's go to the third. Ooh, look at all those liens. All right, let's keep going. Site address, there it is. 1107 9th Street West. So we can either put the owner's address or 1107 9th Street West. And that's about it. It's basically all you do. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Delete. So here, address, enter only the numbers and the names, omit drive. So 1107 9th Street West. There it is. Search. And we can see here, see how the parcel's written 232812? Let's see if that was the same way we found it over here. No. And see, this is what I'm talking about, how they flip them around. So 2, 4, 6. The first 6 numbers, you want to flip-flop them. So you want to start with 23, I think it's 2312. Which way are they going? 232812. So you just write it backwards. 232812. So this is like the first 2 numbers mean something, the next 2 mean something else, and the next 2 mean something. So it's usually section, township, range, but they don't have it in that order, so that's why we have to flip it around. So we start with, it's 2 digits for each number. So it's 23, 28, 12. So then you just know when you're searching Polk County, when you go to put in a parcel ID on the property appraiser, you have to change these numbers around and write them backwards. Very, very confusing. I don't know why they do it that way. They should just do it one uniform way. And then here's the information about the property. So that's pretty much what you do. You got your map. You can look at the map and you look at all the details about the property here. That's how you search the Polk County over-the-counter list. Happy investing.